So I've seen people out there creating bots, ChatGPT bots, and then they're selling the bots or access to use them. I've seen PLR projects selling MRI bots. Social Sister is teaching how to create bots. So I thought I'd jump on and give it a whirl. So I am in chatgpt.com and I've just asked it to create an assistant bot. Okay. Creative Launch Buddy. Okay. What should we call this? Digital Product Assistant. So I came over to create a GPT. And I've pretty much just put this prompt in. Help people find their niche, create digital products. And then it says give it a name. So I've given it a name. Yeah, I probably will change that at some point. Okay. That's it then. Create. I will just put anyone with a link for now. Done. So if I view this GPT, here it is here. So what this means is, with the link that I created for this GPT, you can sell access to this, right? And then you just come in here, help me figure out my niche, right? So let's give it a whirl. Oh, that's a lot of questions. So it's pretty good, right? And I showed you how to create it real quick. So to get there though, you log into ChatGPT, you go to Explore GPTs, and you click on Create. So you do need the Pro account, which is $20. And then that's how I came in here and created my GPT. And you can create a GPT on that helps people with anything. So, finding digital product ideas. It could be like marketing. It could be coming up with Instagram hooks, real hooks. Okay. So there you go. That's how you do it. Nice and easy.